Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Here we go. The root values of brachial plexus start from C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. The upper trunk is formed by the union of C5 and C6, while the lower trunk is formed by C8 and T1. The middle trunk is derived from C7. Each trunk gives rise to one anterior division and one posterior division, resulting in 3 anterior divisions and 3 posterior divisions. These divisions pass behind the clavicle to enter the axilla. Thus, brachial plexus consists of 5 roots, 3 trunks, and 6 divisions. The posterior divisions of all 3 trunks unite to form the posterior chord of the brachial plexus, which is located in the axilla. The lower trunk, C8 and T1, continues as the medial chord of the brachial plexus. The anterior division of the upper trunk and the anterior division of the middle trunk combine to form the lateral chord of the brachial plexus. Thus, the brachial plexus has 3 chords in the axilla. The roots and trunks are found in the neck. The divisions are positioned behind the clavicle, and the chords are in the axilla. Importantly, the 6 divisions passing behind the clavicle do not provide any branches. However, roots, trunks, and chords do provide branches. The C8 and T1 roots form the lower trunk, continues as the medial chord. It follows the ulnar bone behind the medial epicondyle, forming the ulnar node, which supplies the hand muscles and part of the anterior forearm muscles. The posterior chord continues along the radius bone, laterally forming the radial nerve, which innervates the extensor muscles of arm and forearm. The lateral chord continues as the musculocutaneous nerve, which supplies the anterior arm muscles, such as biceps brachii. The lateral chord and medial chord each give a branch to form the median nerve, which runs in the midline and primarily supplies the anterior forearm muscles and some hand muscles near the thumb. The median nerve and the ulnar nerve together supply the hand and forearm muscles. Now, moving on to the root values of nerves. At first, ulnar nerve. Roots are C8 and T1. Next, musculocutaneous nerve. Roots are C5, C6 and C7. And finally, radial and median nerve. Roots are all 5 roots from C5 to T1. Now, branches of the roots. C5, C6 and C7 gives rise to long thoracic nerve, which supplies the serratus anterior muscles. For instance, damage to this nerve can result in winged scapula. C5 also gives rise to dorsal scapular nerve, which innervates the dorsal scapular muscles. Now regarding the branches of the trunks. Only the upper trunk provides a branch, the suprascapular nerve, which supplies the scapular muscles. We got a question. Which of the following does not have branches in the brachial plexus? Based on our discussion, roots, trunks, and chords do provide branches, whereas the divisions do not provide any branches. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. That's it. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Cheers.